In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple assignees in Asana. If you've been using Asana for your project management needs, you might have encountered the limitation of being unable to assign a single task to more than one person directly. This can be a bit of a hurdle, especially when a task requires collaboration from different team members. But don't worry, there's a simple workaround that could help you navigate this issue smoothly. Let's dive right in. The trick to assigning a task to multiple people in Asana is by utilizing subtasks. This feature allows you to create smaller, actionable items within a main task, and you can assign each of these subtasks to different team members. It's quite handy for ensuring everyone gets their piece of the pie and knows exactly what needs to be done. Here's how to do it. First, start by opening the task you want to share among different team members. When you have your task open, look towards the bottom of the task details. You'll notice a plus sign accompanied by the option to add a task. Click on this, and a new line will open up for you to name your subtask. Give it a title that clearly communicates what part of the main task it covers or what specific action is required. This helps in keeping things organized and ensures your team members know what's expected of them. Now, if you look towards the right corner of this new subtask, you'll see the option to assign this subtask to someone. Clicking on this allows you to choose a team member from your Asana workspace to whom you want to delegate this subtask. This is the key step in our process. By creating multiple subtasks, you can assign each one to different people, effectively collaborating on the larger task without confusion or overlap. It's a great way to maintain clarity and ensure consistent responsibility distribution. Additionally, you can create as many subtasks as needed to accommodate your team members. This not only helps in delegating work efficiently, but also allows each person to focus on specific components of the task, making it a fine approach to tighten collaboration. Keep in mind that while this approach helps involve multiple people, it's equally crucial to maintain open communication within your team. Using regular check-ins or comments on each subtask can enhance coordination, keeping everyone on the same page. And there you have it, a straightforward method to assign multiple team members to a single task using subtasks in Asana. By implementing this technique, you can manage your project workflows more effectively and ensure every team member is actively engaged where needed. I hope you found this tutorial helpful as you continue to adapt and evolve your project management strategies within Asana. Thank you for tuning in and happy collaborating.